Hi everyone, good morning. It's been a while since my last got ready with me. So, wala lang, kahit nasa bahay ako, I really want ano, to do makeup today since I really miss it. Nakakamiss pala get ready with me. Anyways, so, while introducing myself, my name is Sarah, and I'm from Dumaguete City. So first is I'm using this foundation from Sales Lady from their Per Touch Skin Tint. So I'm using this tonight since I like this foundation kasi very lang siya. Very lightweight. Anyways, I continue myself introducing. And yeah, I'm 31 years old. And since pa ako, bata, I really want. I love makeup na talaga. But back then, when I was a kid, hindi kami masyadong, hindi kami masyadong allowed to use the product or makeup since nalakyan namin na pang matanda lang yung wearing makeup. And luckily, generation today is very open when it comes to makeup. See, as you can see, ang ganda niya talaga. And it's really easy to blend as well. As you can see, it's madali lang kahit kamay lang yung ginamit mo to blend this foundation. And again, this is from Sales Lady from their collection, Bare Touch Skin Tint. So it shows here it's skin like finish dual peptide serum. Meron na siyang hyaluronic acid. Ano daw? Anyways, ayun. I graduated in college at Semin University and I'm taking nutrition and dietetics since 2014. So, ayun. So, di ako nag-work as nutritionist, but I'm working as a medical PA. I'm proud. After so many years of attempting applying VAs, finally I'm one of the individual contractor. Oh, so I'm a Gemini. I was born in June. So I was born ulit-ulit. Anyway, I'm Gemini. So ayun. And after that, nakalimutan ko na anong gagawin ko. Anyways, nagkilay muna ako. And I'm using this from Eyebrow. This is from Eyebrow Mascara from Bay Free. So, if the, so madali lang to. It's very easy to blend. And yeah, hold on. Let me try to finish first. So anyways, ayun, I'm Gemini. And I'm type of Gemini na, di ba, may two personality siya. Yung isang personality niya is intelligent and the other personality is serious and mysterious. So, wala ko dun. Pero, yung personality ko is hindi ako ma-intelligent terms. So, madiskarte lang ako. And I really love doing business. And business, cooking, aside from makeup. So I really want to cook and baking and making coffee because coffee is life for me. And anyways, before I become a VA, I work as a customer service representative in different BPO company. So, but I started as healthcare in one of the company in Manila before I back here in Negros. So, ayun. And pangatlo ako sa magkakapatid. And I have a boyfriend, which is LDR. And hopefully, by end of the year or by end of in God's perfect time, di na kami LDR soon. So, ayun. Uy, ang ganda ng ano ko ngayon. iPro. Anyways, and ayun. Saan na ba ako? And, anyways, nakalimutan ko. Anyways, yung sabi ko, I'm a Gemini, but yung personality ko parang Cancer. But among the friends or circle, ako yung bibo na tao. I'm the happy pill of all. Kasi ayoko na yung energy na bad energy or negative energy. So, I'm more on positive energy. Kahit kahit pagod na sa life. But I don't want to, ayoko ng negative. Nakakapagod kasi pag negative lang lahat pinag-uusapan. Dahil ang dami ko ding pinagdadaanan sa life. So, ayun, ayoko. So, kaya I give more joy to the group. Anyways, so I'm also studying caregiver kasi like I mentioned, gusto ko talaga mag-abroad. Like, specifically in States or New York or London. But sad life, hindi pa nabigay ni Lord. Anyways, I'm waiting for the right path. And after that, wait. So, okay na ako sa eyeshadow. Feeling ko naman perfect na siya. And I'm contouring my nose using this Details Cosmetic Palette. Anyways, ayun. Walang sense yung pinagsasabi ko sa mundong ito. Minsan seryoso ako, minsan hindi. Basta yun. So, baka magtanong kayo ba, sabi ko, di ba gusto ko mag-business? I was trying to do that na. So, way back before pandemic. Nag-start ako ng coffee and I was so in love back then as well. So, nagpunta ko ng Manila kasi nagbabakasal kaling mag ibang bansa. And hindi plano ni Lord, hindi siya nagtagumpay. Hindi nagtagumpay lang plan ko. So, I was back here in Negros. But, hindi ako sad na hindi siya na natuloy kasi I was really praying ni Lord na hindi talaga ako marunong mag-eyeliner, God. Praying to the Lord na if for me, if not, wait lang. So, ayun. Back. So, luckily, hindi natuloy. Not because I'm not happy, but because at least I spend time with my papa. Kahit a little or ilang months lang. Since that time is pandemic and namatay din siya. So, wala akong regret na hindi ako